Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the best source file and protecting it. Duplicate the RAW or high-res JPEG so you never overwrite the original. Next, choose an AI tool that matches your goal, a mask-based editor for local fixes, a generative model for larger edits, or an enhancement plugin for noise and detail. Once done, set your workspace. Correct color profile, enable 0. 5-stop recovery if needed, and specify target export size so the AI keeps output quality consistent. You now execute the main AI passes, starting with semantic masks so edits affect only sky, skin, or background. Apply each model gradually. Set strength around 20 to 40% initially and refine to prevent hallucinations or texture loss. Once masks are set, run the cued steps. Denoise before sharpening, then detail enhance, and apply color grading last so tonal adjustments are cohesive. Make sure to compare before and after, and use the AI's layer opacity to blend changes smoothly into the original image. Finish by inspecting the image at 100% and zooming across critical areas. If you find AI artifacts, use heal or clone tools sparingly to preserve texture. Then export in a /B set, a high-quality TIFF, an sRGB JPEG for web, and a resized version for social use. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicate and reduce model strength, or switch to a different AI engine. Save your final presets and document exact settings so you can reproduce or troubleshoot the same workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.